What if you could create professional quality visuals quicker than your competitors and without shelling out thousands? Let's see how it works. And what if you could create stunning visuals as easily as typing in a prompt? And this is Rave. Now there's a really exciting special offer you can get, a bonus pack when you jump in here. So everyone, have a look at this. We have limited spaces available, so make sure to get involved because time is limited and we can only accept so many people. What is this website? As you can see here, the platform is designed for creators, marketers, businesses, anyone who wants to create amazing visuals with AI. Graphics, image assets, super fast, super simple. So here we can see the main thing, as they've created loads of amazing images right here. So you can generate them, you can edit them, you can use templates. So here's how it works. If you feel like you're creating amazing content, but it's getting lost in the YouTube algorithm, and you want to rank at the top quickly, you want to dominate your niche, let me introduce you to UT Ranker and show you how it's done. First, we'll open an incognito window so we can keep our browsing history clear. We'll set our language to English, our country to the USA, and let's go ahead and search for some terms here. Let's try proxy for you. We can see I'm at the top. And then proxy for you tutorial. Here it is. My video's right at the top. And that's because of the strategy. Ready to stop blending in and start leading in your niche? Visit yetranker.net where visibility meets real result. Let's get back to the video. One thing I'm going to do is show you a demonstration. We're just going to type something in here. So you're going to come to generate any image, then we're going to put in modern social media ad style. Then we'll have blue tone, and then what we'll want to do is specify who this is for. So what we'll do here is go ahead and have it say young professional. And we've got all that here, and then we simply go ahead and hit that. And it'll get started. We can actually see the butterfly. We can see it in action, which is pretty cool. We've specified what it is, what it looks like, how it will function, what we'll see. Young professional. You can actually see the result here. So by doing this, you gain an unfair advantage. Everyone else is using something different. They're going to ask, how are you generating such amazing AI images? Yes, I know you can generate other AI images, but this gives you an advantage. It's quicker. The turnaround is better. The quality is better. The output is better. Less dependent on external designers. And honestly, you can see how good this looks. Look how incredible this is. That's absolutely breathtaking right there. And you can do that with a click of a button. You could also set up new albums, so you can see where you want to start and see how it'll look. Also, there are new folders, so you can do everything you normally would without having to be a design genius or even have any design skills at all. So that's Reeve in a nutshell, everyone. You can reimagine reality. You can reimagine what's possible. You can do anything right here. Now, you can generate dozens at a time. There are no design skills required. I mean, you don't need to have any design skills. If you can prompt like ChatGPT, you can create amazing visuals that make people ask, how are you this good? You can use templates or create them from scratch. So I'm just going to simply say, click the link in my bio. Remember, access is limited. Log into Reverend.com right now. Grab your demo access and start creating visuals that really stand out. The window's open, but it won't stay open forever. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and tap the notification bell to know when I post more videos. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.